Here is a Soundesign AM/FM electronic clock radio / cassette player. This was purchased at the same estate sale this oscillating fan was at, and for whatever reason, video that got 100 views. Auto stop. The arrows are pointed the other way because you put the cassette in upside down. Speaking of cassette, this is the one we're going to test. There's the buttons right there. Oh, you have to open the door by yourself. There's no eject. The annoying thing is the volume starts at max and goes all the way to min, even though it should be the other way around. That's kind of coming off. So I'm going to move to the beginning of the dial. We will start. Don't want too much of a glare, but we want to be able to see the video and not have it be a grainy mess. Okay. The antenna was still bundled, jeez, I can't speak, bundled up the way it was from the factory, and I undid it. Made a video or two on this, but I wasn't happy with it. That was the week I got it, so doing it now, late, just like the fan. Speaker doesn't have a whole lot of bass. And the volume orientation makes more sense when you have the back facing forward, where the speaker is. Gotta keep it short for copyright to avoid any issues.
Community radio, don't let the AI win unless joy that I
won't. And do my best anyway.
To cross paths with you.
Cause you're not alone. I'm on Tiny Desk Radio from NPR Music.
Cash with the guaranteed offer from Mark Spain Real Estate. Hey, it's Jeff K.
Yeah, I know who you are. Speaker is pretty clear, but there's no bass. I think I already said that. It's my third time recording a video on this today, actually. One of 8 Mexican stations on the dial here in DFW.
In Milford as part of an animal welfare. Welcome to Racetrack.
This is a big family reunion.
We supported WRR when federal funding was rescinded last year. You're supporting
December 3rd at American Airlines.
Paper, there's a leave with you.
I gotta notice you, now I gotta see what you're doing. So I think it's big for him if he can.
Cancer head.
Let's open it up. When you press play, the radio goes away. It's pretty cool. Speed's a bit fast. Whoops, press stop first, idiot. Get the tape out like that. So there it is, the Soundesign AM/FM electronic clock radio / cassette player.